Today we're going to have a look at the English language teaching assistant, and I'm just going to start by copying and pasting from a web page. And so what you're going to see here is just me copy and paste some text. I'm not too worried about the quality of the text if there's any little bits that are not quite right, because right now I'm just copying it in to see what's there, and you can see straight away, oh, there's a lot of advanced language in there. Whoa. Okay, so two options. You can either see it in context with the other words. You can click on it and you can see what's going on in terms of dictionary.com and getting a definition very quickly, or you can see just the words themselves. And you can copy and paste those difficult words. Now, you can copy and paste it into any spreadsheet that you like. It can be numbers, it can be Excel, or it could be Google Sheets. You can also take a look at all of the words that are going. So I'm just going to quickly create an extra sheet here. And what you can see is that we can choose which particular words we want and which particular levels that we want. And that makes it very easy for us to, again, copy and paste it. And what's nice about this copy and paste is you get all the words and you can then filter them and choose which ways they want to be and organize them. Very good for making sure you're recycling and reusing and teaching vocab. Finally, for your planning, you can actually literally take all of the stats that you want. And this is very useful if you want to grade your lessons and grade your levels and see exactly what you're teaching. Now, one very useful thing you can do with this word list of difficult words is to translate it into the person's home language. And to do that, I've made a little template in Google Sheets. This enables you to translate into any language that Google has available for translation. And you can see there's quite a wider range and a list for you to have a go at. So I've picked Korean and you can see it's translated it. Remember, this isn't quite instant and I haven't particularly done any speed ups, but again, you just go to your advanced words, copy, paste, and we just get rid of the existing words there. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste. Obviously that could be Command V or whatever it is. Now you can see the first 20 are done because that's the way I've set it up with just 20, but paste it. But please remember that the more words you put in, we could be waiting a few seconds for this. And I'm not going to speed this up because I want you to see it does take a few seconds for 50 words. And of course, I chose 20 because that's like the most you should try to teach in a lesson. But sometimes you want students to have those background words so that they don't feel too bad. You'll notice there's one word there which it doesn't know the Korean for. If you are a speaker of that language, then obviously that's very helpful for you. But again, now you've managed to translate that language list very nicely. Now, when you copy it out there, you can put it into your own spreadsheet or a table even. But it is very important, if you don't want the translation tool to work again, that when we paste, we use edit and we go to the paste special and we paste values only. And that means that it doesn't have to retranslate every time.